Chiliz value equivalent to 270,950 rands a coin. The present cost range 275,944 to 280,903. The earlier day close 282,123. The change was 0.173 to 62%. Opposite rate ZAR to CHC. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at 414 rands. Exorbitant cost 514, while low cost 414. They found the middle value of cost 456. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 480, change for August 15.9%. Chilliz estimate for September 2024. To start with, cost at 480 rands. Exorbitant cost 596, while low cost 480. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 528. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 557, change for September 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 557 rands. Excessive cost 657, while low cost 557. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 596. Chilliz cost conjectured toward the month's end 614, change for October 10.2%. Chilliz conjecture for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 614 rands. Excessive cost 698, while low cost 606. They found the middle value of cost 643. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 652, change for November 6.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 652 rands. Exorbitant cost 717, while low cost 623. They found the middle value of cost 666. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 670, change for December 2.8%. Chilliz gauge for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 670 rands. Exorbitant cost 729, while low cost 633. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 678. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 681, change for January 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 681 rands. Excessive cost 708, while low cost 616. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 667. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 662, change for February 2.8%. Chilliz figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 662 rands. Exorbitant cost 720, while low cost 626. They found the middle value of cost 670. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 673, change for spring 17%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 673 rands. Exorbitant cost 732, while low cost 636. They found the middle value of cost 681. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 684, change for April 16%. Chilliz estimate for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 684 rands. Excessive cost 790, while low cost 684. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 724. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 738, change for May 7.9%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at 738 rands. Exorbitant cost 738, while low cost 610. They found the middle value of cost 686. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 656, change for June 11.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 680 rands. Exorbitant cost 844, while low cost 680. They found the middle value of cost 748. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 789, change for August 16%. Chilliz gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 789 rands. Exorbitant cost 858, while low cost 746. They found the middle value of cost 799. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 802, change for September 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 802 rands. Exorbitant cost 872, while low cost 758. They found the middle value of cost 812. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 815, change for October 16%. Chilliz estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 815 rands. Exorbitant cost 827, while low cost 719. They found the middle value of cost 784. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 773, change for November 5.2%. Chilliz cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 773 rands. Excessive cost 950, while low cost 773. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 846. Chilliz cost figured toward the month's end 888, change for December 14.9%. Chilliz gauge for January 2026. In the first place cost at 888 rands. Exorbitant cost 1102, while low cost 888. The found the middle value of cost 977. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1030, change for January 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 1030 rands. Exorbitant cost 1279, while low cost 1030. The found the middle value of cost 1134. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1195, change for February 16%. Chilliz estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 1195 rands. Exorbitant cost 1299, while low cost 1129. The found the middle value of cost 12.9. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1214, change for spring 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at 1214 rands. Exorbitant cost 1319, while low cost 1147. The found the middle value of cost 1228. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1233, change for April 16%. Chilliz estimate for May 2026. In the first place cost at 1233 rands. Exorbitant cost 1341, while low cost 1165. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1248. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 1253, change for May 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at 1253 rands. Exorbitant cost 1555, while low cost 1253. The found the middle value of cost 1379. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1453, change for June 16%. Chilliz estimate for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 1453 rands. Exorbitant cost 1618, while low cost 14.6. The found the middle value of cost 1497. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1512, change for July 4.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place cost at 1512 rands. Exorbitant cost 1644, while low cost 1428. The found the middle value of cost 1530. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1536, change for August 16%. Chilliz gauge for September 2026. In the first place cost at 1536 rands. Exorbitant cost 1670, while low cost 1452.